call a shot. Okay, I see you, bro. Hey, who are you, bro? Dude, see, I want to ask stuff, but I want them to look like this. Can you not? Just because you're a puppy doesn't mean you have to cheat. Just a puppy. They have a freaking pool in here, dudes. Hey. I thought he was blind at first. Like the way he was.
Oh my god, he's so soft.
Why you all up in it? This is going on YouTube.
UWC, so that's a good thing.
You okay?
Yes, match us.
I'm gonna get. I want whatever money you get from it.
I get you. Not getting that. I don't.
That's what she said.
So you're just a broke ass bitch.
Oh yeah, I don't care. I'm just trying to wrap my head around all this.
Wait, this one lives.
Velvet is
Chunky.
not a thing.
I'm friendly, affectionate, 5'5", chunky but spunky. I have a dog, 4 cats, and 2 gerbils. I need a strong sidekick. Girl, I got you.
I can be your support.
I can crack your
Is
back
she
like
gay?
a chiropractor. And give you a massage.
Give me it. Is she
Give
gay?
me if you want to reach me. Oh my god, I want to reach you. Match us,
Dude, I'm about.
See, I had to deal with this shit for 2 years.
Rachel, oh my god, let's go on it and find each other.
She lives in Prince George's. PG.
Oh, she lives in the hood. Okay, I'm
Or
sorry.
it says.
Give me it. Is she black?
She lives like 27 miles away. That's not that bad.
Is she
though,
black?
'cause I drive 30 to get here. Is she black? Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want it.
No, she's mixed. Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Wait, what is it? Bumble BFF?
Yeah.
Let me
Dude,
see it.
she's so. I don't know if I can hang with people that are that pretty though.
Wait,
I need
there's
like a level
There's
down.
a different one that's called Friender.
Yeah, I saw that. We need a car one.
I need ugly
Tell you
best
the
friends
truth.
so I can look good next to them.
Oh my god.
Oh, she's really pretty.
I don't care about. I like
I'm
pretty
gonna go-
male friends.
We got Bumble BFF.
I want friends. I want male friends, but I want them to be pretty, and I don't want them to have girlfriends because they mess up shit.
I don't understand. What?
Because the girls are always texting them. No, because
No, it's the syndrome of most girls are insane,
yeah.
and especially the ones who become girlfriends when they're younger. It's like at a certain age they're just retarded.
Yeah, and like
So-
they're texting them and stuff while we're at Carmi. No, let us hang out in peace. Like what the fuck? I'll blur your face out, okay?
This is all weird to me. It's probably because I just hate people. I don't know.
I just want to go to car meets. That's all I care about. Family season almost.
I just want to be fucked in my asshole.
See?
God.
She's a fucking.
She actually got that one.
See, I miss like all the good shit.
Yeah, no. You're
Oh,
supposed
she
to set
sends
it up.
HCC.
Can you not?
Oh, she's cute.
She's gay.
But I don't smoke weed.
She's gay, but
I
she's
could,
not gay.
I could if
But I
you
could if at least we can be friends.
I'm willing to change myself.
I will
Dude,
change
you know-
myself to be friends with people.
I didn't know Nicole smoked weed. I didn't know.
She dated Addison. Of course she smoked weed.
I didn't know though.
Nicole.
Nicole, I love
Nicole's
you.
pregnant again.
Oh my god, what do you Oh, their last job. Gotcha.
How do you know these things?
Facebook. She's so open about it. She's like,
At first, I was the first one she told, but she wasn't sure at first. I love you, Nicole. Congratulations.
congrats. Son's name. He's gonna
She's
have a
a
brother. What's
Oh,
his
yeah. What the fuck is his name? I forgot my little son's name.
Oh, I want to think of it first.
eat that shit, man.
Yes.
I thought of it first. I thought you're supposed to be her best friend.
What kind of baby?
I know it's a unique name though.
Has anyone messaged you yet to be
I
friends?
know. I know.
One person. But I'm usually the initiator.
It's always dudes. I'm sorry. It's always like dudes that message you first, huh?
What?
Yeah, on this app though, the girl needs to message first. It's like a requirement. I don't know.
Like on
I mean,
like
it doesn't matter if it's 2 girls, then either one of us can message first.
right.
But
Oh, that's weird.
I'm not trying to link up with any guys, even though I actually prefer guy friends. But it's complicated because I feel like all of my guy friends like kind of end up. It just gets awkward. You know what I mean? Because they kind of just end up.
It's like they
running
fall in love with me, and then I have to.
I can't help. Like I can't help having be charming and.
Yeah,
cute.
exactly.
It's
the
just
whole
it just
package.
comes naturally for me, and it just like yeah.
The whole.
let me ask you this, okay?
Okay.
I've been thinking about this for years.
I mean,
I think guys who like girls who are tomboyish are gay.
Wait,
Or like
I
gay
can't
studs.
understand. I can't
I
understand.
think
No,
that's
because like, why would you want to date
I can't
a
understand
girl that
this.
supposedly looks like a dude?
So wait, on that question,
That just confuses me.
I'm confused by your confusion. You just
Like, okay, you know, like
she's
stud, like
So
us
if you're a guy,
studs, like the
you can't
tomboyish
message
gay
a
female.
girl to be a friend on
Oh, I
Yeah.
messaged
that I don't
her.
understand.
She just,
Yeah,
I just
like they-
messaged her. She's
I don't
really
know why.
pretty.
How do I do this?
I don't
Oh, you swipe
understand.
to the right. She's really pretty.
I don't want to look at you anymore.
She might be too pretty for me to hang out.
Oh, okay.
I think left is wrong.
That's what
Left
girls
is
talk
to,
about, like the feminine
deny
ones.
It's not you.
These.
Interested is to the right. So like he's
I really don't understand.
He just doesn't know.
yeah. So you just.
I'm
deny
with you.
Emily or whatever.
There's just too much
But
going
yeah,
on.
we're probably gonna hook up with. We're probably gonna link up with like a lot of the same
In
people.
fact,
So
I
we're gonna
know.
stay here.
Dude,
Huh?
we'll go to like a function and we'll be like, ah!
Yeah.
Have you made your hold on?
Hey!
I haven't made it yet.
Quiet.
What?
I could literally talk about dogs for hours. My favorite people are sarcastic, have a dark sense of humor, distract me from this existential dread
What is
and
going
reality
on?
in general. Then vegetarian, dog, animal lover, workshopaholic, underage drinking,
It's recording.
I
carrying,
can see dark and then light animals.
self-deprecation, Netflix, Hulu, nihilism, and Reddit. Just listed
Oh
a bunch
my
of things
God,
that are
sounds
like,
like an emo person.
I just like cars
says the guy with pets on his arm.
and hot chicks.
Tats? This is from animals. This is
Don't lie. Like, I mean, I cut myself in high school though.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Come on, Jeremy, let's go to a car meet.
Self-harm is
Car meet?
normal.
I
Yeah.
hate cars.
What's wrong with
I only
you?
like cars from getting me to point A to point B. That's all.
What the fuck? Okay, I'm sorry. But it just randomly happened. Okay, I'm sorry, Jeremy.
This is like stressful though, cause like, how do I do like a pickup line? I don't know how to do pickup line.
Oh, I got one for you. Hang on. Shit.
Are you from Tennessee? Because you're cute.
Because you're cute.
Just like do like failed pickup lines that, you know what I mean? Like they won't expect that the punchline did not make sense. I'll look it up.
Oh, I know what you could ask them. How much does a polar bear weigh? And they'll be like, how much? And you're like, I know, you break the
It'd be
ice.
like,
Oh
I'll just
my
answer
God.
and be like the average weight of a polar bear. They'll say enough to break the ice. I'll go, no.
I didn't know. Okay, I just made up one. Like, can you see?
Yeah.
No, can you see?
Yeah.
What do you want her to say?
No, I can't see.
I didn't think it
ABC.
through.
Good pickup line.
I could think it
I
through.
think we're all just sleeping.
I thought you were shooing me away. You're like,
No,
off with you. Yeah.
I was trying to get her to be like, see what? Can you see me in your future?
No, it's like, can you see? You'd be like, yeah, I can see.
I know.
I have good vision.
what did you
Unlike
put as your
you.
application?
I put Old Town Pet Resort. How do I?
Hey, look.
Even though that's giving a lot of information away about me, they can literally find me. I mean, that's fine.
Okay, look. Can you see it? Can you see it?
See what?
See me in your future. No.
No, T.I. You're dead to me.
What the fuck? This is just an ongoing thing. So I'm gonna knock over your yogurt.
Did you sit in a pile of sugar because you have a pretty sweet ass?
What the fuck?
That was good.
I think that'll work for making friends that are girls.
This is gay.
Just compliment their ass. I'll be like, I thought I was on Bumble BFF, not Tinder. Try to hook up with them anyway.
I thought she was about to attack me. Okay.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing. racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.